here you are going to solve for that variable. You are given that these are congruent. So fine. What h is? Well, you know that CD is congruent to DO. How do you know that? Look, CA is the first two, DO is right here. So line segment CA is congruent to line segment DO. So 15, or then the CA is equal to DO. So you can say 15 is equal to H. Right, and then let's do the next one. We know that angle I corresponds to angle H. So angle I is congruent to angle H. Therefore, the measurement of angle I is equal to the measurement of angle H. So 38 is equal to A. We want to find what X is. Well, we know 35, we know 90, so we can get the other side by using triangle sum. So this becomes 55. These are vertical, so X is equal to 55 degrees. Next, let's see, DA. Do we have DA? Yep. DA is these two. Will match up with AB. So we know that AB is congruent to DAD. So AB is equal to AD. 3y is equal to 21. Y is equal to 7.